Ever since I signed up for a store with Elite Automation, they've taken amazing care of me. Again, they literally do everything, prepping and shipping my products to Amazon, to product research, communicating with my customers daily, everything. My favorite thing is that this has truly been a hands-off experience, and my store is already generating $2,000 a month in profit. So yeah, I highly recommend the Elite team.
Really positive signs. I'm really excited to see what the store's going to be doing when it scales up to 1,500 products. The team at Elite Automation have been great. You've got access to the team, you've got access to their back-end team, the product and research team who research your products and manage the store for you. Your job really is to keep the cash flow going and to answer a few emails every now and then. You literally do take your hands off the store once it's handed over to Elite. It's been a great experience. It's been very encouraging to see how much it scales so quickly, and I'm really looking forward to see where this store's going to get to.